A small business owner may ask, why should I use Bradley Ray CPA instead of a cheap bookkeeper or tax preparer? It is a fair question. Every business owner has to think about cost, and at first glance, basic bookkeeping or inexpensive tax preparation may seem like the cheaper option. But the real question is not just what the service costs. The real question is, what could it cost if the work is wrong, incomplete, or not giving you the guidance you actually need? That is where the difference matters. Many basic bookkeepers are primarily using software to categorize transactions, reconcile bank accounts, and produce standard reports. That work may be necessary, but in many cases, it is largely a process of pushing buttons in accounting software. The software may produce reports, but the software does not know your business. It does not know whether the numbers make sense. It does not know whether something has been classified incorrectly, whether a liability is missing, whether payroll taxes are being handled properly, or whether the financial statements are giving you information that is useful for making decisions. That is where costly errors can happen. A business owner may think the books are clean because the bank account has been reconciled and the reports look organized. But if transactions are misclassified, loans are recorded incorrectly, payroll liabilities are missed, sales tax is not tracked properly, or owner payments are handled the wrong way, those mistakes can create tax problems, cash flow surprises, bad decisions, and expensive cleanup work later. You may need help understanding why your business shows a profit but has no cash. You may need to know whether you should be making estimated tax payments. You may need guidance on payroll, owner compensation, entity structure, deductions, debt, cash flow, or whether the business can afford to hire or expand. Those are financial decisions, not just bookkeeping tasks or tax forms. At Bradley Ray CPA, the focus is not merely on recording transactions or preparing a tax return. The focus is on helping small business owners understand their numbers, avoid costly mistakes, plan ahead, and make better financial decisions. It means helping ensure that the financial information is accurate, useful, and connected to the real decisions the business owner has to make. So the simple answer is this: the cheapest option is not always the least expensive option. Mistakes, missed planning, and lack of guidance can cost far more than doing it right from the beginning. And for a small business owner, that difference is critically important.